Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Rampal, and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to presenting the latest news to you. So come know about today's major news. Solar park can be built in Ranila with 1 crore. Village will get facilities under Mahagram Yojana, Charkhi Dadri. The concerned department should immediately work on the possibilities of developing a solar park in Ranila village under the Mahagram Yojana and implement it as soon as possible. In this scheme, 1 crore rupees will be given for the solar park. Various facilities will be made available in Ranila village under the Mahagram Yojana of the government. On the instruction of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said this while interacting with the villagers during the night stay organized in Ranila village on Tuesday. Superintendent of Police Arsh Verma was also present with him. He heard the personal and collective problems of the pupil in the government senior secondary school of the village and gave instruction to solve them. Lost fingers can be uploaded on e-compensions portal till 20 January. Claims can be uploaded on the compensations portal till 20 January. The crop loss by rain and in the district. The Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that if there is any damage to crops of farmers anywhere do you run on Hellstrom, the district after 26 December in its information be registered in the compensation portal. He said that the farmers of the district can use the portal till 20 January to upload claims for damaged Rabi crops. A 3-year plan will be prepared for water conservation. Haryana Water Resources Authority is preparing an action plan for the next 3 years to reduce the gap between demand and supply of the water in the district. In the meeting, CTM said that Haryana Water Resources Authority has worked on a plan for the last 3 years in reduce the gap demand and supply of water. A list of works has also been sought from various departments. All departments should prepare their reports and complete it immediately. SDM and CTM heard people's problems in Samadhan camp. The complaints of people coming to Samadhan camp should be resolved without delay. No citizen should have to make rounds again and again. The complaints should be also be informed about the complaints related to the policy matters which may take time. On Wednesday, SDM Naveen Kumar and CTM Ashish Sangwan said that during the Samadhan camp, he said that action should be taken on the problem of the citizens with immediate effect and the complaints coming in the Samadhan camp regarding consolidation, drinking water problem, ration card problem, pension and PP should be tried to be resolved on the spot. There should be no delay in any matter. Citizens should not have to make rounds again and again unnecessarily. If there is a complaint related to a policy matter and solution may take time, gain this information to the concerned complainant as well. In the Samadhan camp, problems of citizen related to family identity card, birth certificate, getting the benefit of scholarship, getting disability certificate made, getting the benefit of pension scheme and removing illegal encroachments from roads, getting the benefits of Ambedkar Awas Yojana, getting the sanitation system improved, electricity related scholarship and social security pension at extra were there. vocational guided will be organized from 27 to 31 January. Haryana's Employment Department will organize a vocational guidance with the district and subdivision level from 27 to 31, through which students will be guided about career selection under vocational guidance by the visiting various schools, colleges and ITI along with the office, so that the difficulty in choosing a professional can be reduced, so that students can choose the professional in the positive and effective according to their ability, interest and personality in the future. District Employment Officer Kumari Sasi said this is work being in continuously by the Employment Department from time to time through the Vocational Guidance Unit. Vocational Guidance Week is organized twice a year, especially at the district subdivision level with the help of Assistant Employment Officers, so that students can make a positive future by choosing their profession and career in the right way in their life, and effective personality can be developed. Physical verification of agriculture equipment will be done on 17 January. Under the scheme, the Agriculture Department had given super seeder agriculture equipment to the farmers on subsidy, in which 35 farmers of the district had super seeder machine. Village physical verification has to be done the department. The first physical verification is done after purchasing a new machine, and the second physical verification is done after running the machine for one season. In this episode, the physical verification of this agriculture equipment was in by the Agriculture Department on 30 November 2024. Now again, the physical verification of all these agriculture equipment will be done on 17 January 2025, in which all farmers can bring their machines again for physical verification in the new grain market Charkhi Dadri from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, the new market Barda p.m. to 3 p.m. Hello, welcome to the PPT News. Our aim is provide to with the latest and reliable news from under the world. On our channel, you can find news related to politics, business, sports and entertainment. Our team consists of experienced journalists and analysts providing you with the in-depth analysis of the news. Subscribe to our channel will be bring you many benefits. You will be receive our latest news and the analysis first and get access to our exclusive programs and video. So are you ready to connect with the PPT News? Subscribe to our channel and get news from around the world delivered to your home. Take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Take care.